Okay, let's go ahead and open any image that you can find. If you don't happen to have any images available, go back to the exercise file. So go ahead and click on Open, and hopefully you'll be able to find the exercise file. There it is right there. And then they are. So, well, you know what? Since I'm here, let's go ahead and open up Classroom. And there it is right there. All right, now, even though I have a classroom, go ahead and instead of saving it in my hard drive or an external hard drive, I'm going to do File, Save As, and I know I showed you this before, but this time I'm going to save it as a cloud document. So I'm going to go ahead and press Save to Cloud. And when I do that, the dialog box disappears, and now this appears. So I'm going to call it Classroom. It'll actually refer to the file format that I opened it as, so in this case Classroom, and I'm going to go ahead and save it. There it is. Now if I X out of this and go back to the start screen, you'll notice that it comes out as Photoshop PSDC. That means Photoshop Document, C stands for Cloud. So I'm going to click on that. Notice the cloud icon, it says classroom01.psdc. That's Photoshop Document Cloud. I'm going to X out of this right now, and this time I'm going to open up a PSD file. That's a Photoshop document. Now if you don't have one, that's okay, just watch. I'm going to open this webdesign.psd file. There it is, and again you see the different layers. This time I'm going to go File, Save As. I'm going to select Save to Cloud Documents. Notice it says Web Design again. This time I'm going to save it. Notice right up here there's a cloud icon. It says webdesign.psdc. Let's X out. There it is again, Web Design PSDC. I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And even though it's just Photoshop Document Cloud, notice that the layers are maintained and you can reopen. The cloud is a great place to save layered images, and the reason I say that is because sometimes layered images are pretty large and it risks taking up too much space on your hard drive or external hard drive. So why not use the cloud?